name is Mansi. I am a recent computer science graduate from BPSMB Solihull, and I joined QSPIDERS on December 14, 2024, and it's been a long journey, and I'm very delighted to share my experience at QSPIDERS. Personally, that I would thanks to all the trainers which supported me and guided me at every point of my life where I was lacking, where I was demotivated. Mr. Devasi sir, he was a branch head. He motivated me. He guided us. He teaches us the core concepts of Java, advanced Java also. And Anvit sir also taught us the Java concept very well. And I'm very happy that I understood the concepts very well. And I have in-depth knowledge about all these things. And Mr. Harshal sir, he taught us SQL, and Mr. Hemant sir, and which taught us web development, and I'm very delighted to share that I have joined as a associate software engineer.